Dr. Toby Mitchell of Clear Choice Chiropractic, bringing you the healthcare tip of the day. We're outside the Big House in beautiful Ann Arbor, Michigan. And regardless if you're a Wolverine fan, go blue! Or God help you, you're rooting for the Fighting Irish in Notre Dame. This healthcare tip is going to help you in your daily life before exercise or before participating in a sporting event. Now, there's 3 words I want you to remember. Number 1, you need to warm up. 2, stretch. 3, participate. Now, some people think that stretching is warming up. Nothing could be further from the truth. If you go out and you warm up by stretching, you could hurt yourself. You could cause micro tears in the muscle, in the tendon, in the ligament, and you could make yourself more prone to injury in the future. So, what is warming up then? Warming up is the process of warming up the body tissue, the muscle, the tendon, the ligament. And you can do this simply by maybe getting a Whirlpool jacuzzi tub. You can get in a sauna. That's great penetrating, moist heat. It'll make your muscles pliable, flexible, and ready to stretch. What if you don't have access to something like that? What could you do? At that point, you can get into a shower. Most of us have access to a shower. Get in your shower, start letting that warm water run on you, start turning circles with your shoulders, and go through a little range of motion with your body to heat it up. Be careful, it's a slippery surface. We don't want you to slip and fall and hurt yourself. Now, let's say you can't even get in the shower. It's 10 minutes before practice time. The coach, he always has you trying to stretch, but without warming up. Very bad. So what are you going to do? Use the body in its range of motion, the large muscle groups. If you simply start with a little range of motion, bringing your knees up slowly, raising your arms, in fashion like this, getting your knees higher and higher, over a period of 5 minutes, your body's going to release a lot of heat. The muscles are very inefficient in that way on purpose, to release heat, to warm up your body from the inside out. So what you want to do is do little actions like that. 5 minutes, you'll break into a sweat, and you're more pliable, you're ready to stretch, you're ready to flex, and that's going to get you warmed up. Now, always remember to consult your physician before starting an exercise program, and that's this week's tip of the week. And remember, share this with your friends by touching that button right there.